The following program is rated TV PG. Some scenes may be too scary for children under 7. We suggest watching together as a family.
And a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy
Merry Christmas. Time to get up.
It's too early.
Merry Christmas.
Go back to bed, Timmy.
Time to get up.
What time is it?
Oh, please, Santa, give me the one thing I asked for. Mark, Becky, hurry up. Mom, Dad, come on, Santa's been here.
I hope we're doing the right thing.
Just because it's my idea.
That is not the reason, and you know it.
Having second thoughts? It's typical.
Janice, this is not about us. This is about them.
Mark, Baxter, I'm making cocoa. Merry Christmas.
5 presents with my name on them.
Wow, somebody was extra special this year.
You think Santa got my letter?
I'm sure he did, honey.
That is so pathetic. Ugh, I've got to tweet that. Not only does my brother think there's a boogeyman in the closet, he also still believes in Santa. Hey!
It's Christmas.
Oh my god, really? No way. She said that? What did you say?
How come she gets to keep herself?
Hang up, Baxter.
No way.
Becky will call you later, Tiffany.
Oh my god, I cannot believe you just did that.
Told you these were a mistake.
Tiffany knows you got a crush on her.
Wrong.
Yeah, then why'd you tell Brad you liked her?
Wrong, wrong, wrong. Oh, hey!
No, hey!
What are you doing?
Hey, that's my present.
Wait, enough.
Come on!
Enough.
Stop!
Stop.
Come here!
Now.
Hey, you guys! Okay, it's going. All right, everybody. Right, quick.
You're stepping on my foot.
Come on.
It's blinking.
Okay, everybody, say fruitcake.
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 Dad, I said pad, not pod.
I thought we agreed no more electronics.
And seriously, 4 gigs? That won't hold even half my tunes.
Do you like it? It's for school.
I can't wear this.
Why not?
Because it looks like my mother bought it.
I think it's beautiful.
Then you wear it.
Cool, a puzzle with 500 pieces. Want to help?
Not even if you paid me. I want my cell phone back.
No, not until tomorrow.
This bites. This whole day bites.
Hey, Mark!
If you didn't insist on spoiling them with all these gadgets.
Can I return this dress and get something I want?
No, your mother bought you that dress and you're gonna wear it.
I'd rather die first.
Hey, that is no way to talk to your mother.
I was talking to you.
Becky! Hey!
Santa.
It's a blizzard? It was sunny a second ago. Come on.
I told you to lock this last night.
I did.
Where did this storm come from so fast? Oh my God. If the floors get watermarked, we're gonna have to sand them down before the viewings.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm gonna go get the mop.
Right, yeah. And paper towels, paper towels.
Mom? Dad?
We should have been honest with the kids from the beginning.
There's a monster in the house.
It's a storm.
Perfect. This whole day is turning into a disaster.
There's a monster in the house.
Timmy, not now, okay?
It ate Mark's pod.
Did you break your brother's present?
No, it wasn't me. Come on, I'll show you.
Son, your mother and I are having a very important discussion right now.
But Dad!
Do you remember our talk about making up stories?
But it's true this time.
Listen, buddy, why don't you go and you start your puzzle? And I'll be there right away to give you a hand, okay?
There is two monster.
I just wanted one more Christmas together as a family. Is that too much to ask?
Mark? Becky? Mark, there's a monster in the house.
I know, I'm looking right at it. Move out of the way, I'm trying to watch.
There it is, under the covers.
What? Oh!
See, I told you.
What is that? Oh my! Oh, come on!
You're supposed to knock first. I could have been dressing.
Shut up and listen. We've got something in the house.
It's true, Mark saw it too.
It's all gnarling and scaling and spits acid.
Okay, if you're trying to scare me, it's really not working. Oh, very funny.
No!
Don't!
Morons.
Timmy, move!
Get away from me!
Get it!
Oh my gosh.
Where'd he go?
Where is it?
Come on. Close the door.
What was that thing?
A monster.
Maybe something in the Bat family? A condor?
It was in a present under the tree.
That's crazy. Who would send us something like that?
If those kids are fighting again,
I'll handle it.
What is going on up here?
This is from my desk. Who's responsible for this?
The monster.
You know Daddy's desk is private.
He's acting out.
It's not an act. It trashed my room too. It's some kind of animal, creature thing.
It tried to attack me. We fought it off.
It could be anywhere now.
Your father and I are very disappointed in you.
You were all grounded for a week.
2 weeks.
A month.
Honest, Daddy, there is a monster.
To ensure the enforcement of regular possession schedules of the children?
What does that mean?
It's nothing.
It's just Daddy's business papers.
Are you guys getting a divorce?
It's the monster.
Timmy, stop that.
He's not lying.
Could it be a mutated raccoon? Lemur, escaped from the zoo.
All right, all right. Your mother and I will go check it out. You three to your bedrooms, and we will talk later.
I'm not going to my room again.
No kidding. Me neither. Sorry I called you guys morons.
That's cool. Sorry I made that crack about you being a monster.
That's cool.
It's coming from the basement.
I'm scared.
Stay with me.
Whoa. Oh, something's been down here, all right?
Like what?
How do I know?
You know everything else.
Peace on earth, Janice. Goodwill to men.
Let's just call animal control.
oh yeah, on Christmas, that is really practical.
Me, you're the...
Could a small bear do this?
Well, whatever it is, I'm sure it's gone by now, right? What on earth was that thing?
Did you see it?
What happened?
Yeah, we saw it. And we're getting out of this house right now. Come on.
How did it drift so high so fast?
Okay, we're not getting through that.
I'll check the kitchen door.
Windows, the windows. It's frozen shut.
Marcel! And Bex.
It's trying to get out!
Mom, Dad!
There's drips all around.
The back door's frozen shut. This line is dead.
Look!
It's gonna burn his way out!
Oh my god! We're trapped!
What do we do?
Everybody upstairs. Come on. Move. Go.
Here. Come on.
It's coming. It's gonna kill us.
No, it's not. No, come on, get up there.
Honey, how can this be happening?
I don't know. I just want you and the kids safe. Come on, go. Okay, we need to cover this trapdoor. Drag everything you can over here.
You really think that's gonna stop it?
Yes.
Come on, you guys, pitch in.
There's no windows up here.
No way out. It's like that horror movie I saw at Tiffany's. Everybody was stuck in a cabin in a snowstorm.
What happened to them?
They ate each other, but it was just a movie.
It's not like real life, okay?
Hey, we're gonna be fine. Your mother and I would never, ever let anything happen to you kids.
Come on now, let's huddle together over here to stay warm. Dawn, grab Marky's old sleeping bag.
Here you go. See, this it's kind of fun, right?
It reminds me of the time we all went camping in Squaw Lake. We sat around the campfire telling stories.
I don't remember that.
You're too little, honey.
I remember that. Like you dropped your hot dog in the fire.
Yeah, I burned my lip on a marshmallow.
Must have been poison ivy.
Your legs swelled up like a balloon.
Yeah, those were good times.
Can we go camping again now that I'm old enough to remember?
Sure.
Yeah. We're not going camping again.
What are you talking about?
Doesn't feel like we're a family anymore.
Look, you guys can just tell us if you're getting a divorce.
All right, it's true that your mother and I have been having a few arguments lately.
We know.
We're not deaf.
What if I tried to be better?
Oh, no, honey, this is not about you at all. None of this is your fault.
Every married couple goes through hard times, and we only argue because we care.
Your father's right. We love each other very much, and we love you.
Timmy, what are you doing?
And if we... When we get through this...
Hey, honey, what are you doing?
Turns out Santa didn't give me my Christmas wish after all.
Oh, what was that?
Dad, look! It's the monster!
We're gonna be burned alive.
No, we won't!
There's gotta be a way out of here.
With no windows?
And we can't go back down there again. Can we break through the roof?
Not with our bare hands.
Why would Santa let us die on Christmas?
We're not gonna die.
Listen to me, Paul. Nothing is gonna hurt this family, all right? Together we are stronger than anything. Even that thing. Wait, the chimney.
What is it?
The mortar's cracked. Maybe a brick will come loose. Grab me a hammer or a crowbar or something. Come on.
Here. This'll do. This'll work.
Good job, son. All right, here we go.
Yes.
Come on, give me a hand.
Come on. Right there.
Come on.
Working. Yes. Working.
Okay, it's a long way down, but the drift should break our fall.
We have to jump?
You'll be fine. Just like a water slide, but with snow.
Here, you watch Mommy do it. Okay, last one down the front leg.
Okay, she made it.
Come on, who's next?
Me?
Okay, go.
The snow.
It's all gone.
Like, completely.
Where did it go?
This is weird.
Maybe the fire melted it.
Not the whole block.
Fire trucks.
A little late.
It's all gone. My computer.
All my clothes. We've got nothing.
We've got this.
We got each other.
We're a family.
This is the best Christmas ever.